Using Layout's Revit plugin, it's really quick and easy to be able to import and export your work back and forth between Layout and Revit. When you have Revit open, all you do is you connect to Layout. You then select the floor that you're looking to export, and you can export that straight across into Layout. Once that opens up, you can set your circulation, which is really the cornerstone of your design work. We've now also made it that you can actually edit your corridor circulation after you start generating designs. So really, this is just to get you started. So once that's done, you can then accept that and you can start generating designs. After a couple of seconds, we're going to have a few options here to be able to take a look at. And there we go. We could choose this one, for instance, finalize the design, save it as a favorite, and then import it back into Revit. And after a couple of seconds, there we go. Our design has appeared back in Revit. So as you can see, this makes it really quick and easy to be able to supercharge your design process using Layout and then import it back into Revit to continue on with your workflow.